Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new tag to the existing tag. Basically, this is something different. Like you already have a tag added to one item. Let's say one item key that is SDFC underscore 01, and that item has one tag applied that is pre-qualification, right? Now, if you want to add a new tag, the other tag to the same item, then how can you do that? So this same thing I am going to show you. Let me first delete this tag, untag items, this actions, because this is not required currently, because we are not going to remove any tag. It will append a new tag to the existing tag. Let me take all these things here and then link here. Our scenario is, as I told you, that we are using loan origination stage. So it has 7 stages. And you are using application number. So one application number, it has a tag, it means pre-qualification stage. So first time it will pass here and it will go and then complete the process of the pre-qualification, right? And then once it will complete the pre-qualification stage, so first time it will have this tag applied. If you see here in this one, so let's say we have this HDFC 60. So this item key has a tag that is pre-qualification process. Now once bot will pick this item, so it will come here and then it will process this part, whatever step you have added here, whatever action you have added here, that will be performed here. And after that, I don't want to remove this tag, I want to add a new tag. It means I want to add a loan application tag. It will tell you that pre-qualification was the first tag and this is now done, and now the second tag will be a loan application. Now if that tag is done, once this process done, so it will add a new tag, that application processing. So whatever tag will be the new one, you will able to see that. So let me show you. So once it will come and tag and add a new tag, so it will go to process that one. And once it will process that, so it will add a new tag, right? It will append a new tag. Once it will append a new tag, so it will have the new one. So it will go and process that, this one. Now once it will process this one, it will have again new tag, and then it will do like that in same way. This way, tag a new item, new tag, process funding, and once it process funding, at the end it will say that loan completed, or like complete process completed, and then it will mark the item completed and then pick a next item. Now let me remove this untag also. Let me directly link this here by this way. So this invoice part is different, only we have taken as a loan origination part. Now once, if we have first tag, the step 1, that is pre-qualification, so it will complete this and it will add a new tag, that is loan application. It means this one. And after that it will come here, complete the loan application, and then it will append a new tag, that is application processing here. So it means if bot crashes here, bot fails due to any issue, so next time you will have the tag, this tag appended to your item ID. You will able to identify like what process you need to perform next time. So if you have this tag applied to that specific item, it means next time you need to process this application processing. Now let me see here. So we are going to exclude invoice. Now let me show you that. Set next stage. So first time we have underwriting process. So underwriting process, now you will see here item which is picked, that is this one, underwriting process. So after underwriting, our next step is credit decision. So it will first tag a new item. Let me add this. So new tag is added, appended to this specific item ID, and that is, now you can see here we had this one, and new tag added here, that is separated by semicolon. So credit decision and then underwriting process. So you will see here now it has added this one. Now it will process this part, and then add a new one, that is quality check. So refresh, and then now you will see here, now we have underwriting, quality check, and credit decision, right? Now you see here, now we have process funding, loan funding, right? So it will have a loan funding now. The same item will have a new tag, that is loan funding. You can see here, so there are 4 tags you can see here in the tooltip. There are 4 tags we have applied here, and at the end it will have a last tag, that is process completed. So it has 5 tag, and now it will go and mark that item completed. Let me refresh that, and now you'll see here that item is now completed. So by this way you can add a new tag to the existing tag. You can append a tag to the existing items tag. And I hope this is useful. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you are new to this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to learn UiPath RPA, then you can visit my YouTube channel, youtube.com/UiPath RPA. If you want to learn Blue Prism from Udemy, so I have created one course for Blue Prism RPA complete course on Udemy. So you can go there and you can purchase that course and you can get the certificate from there. I will enter the referral code and the link in the video description. You can go through that. I hope you like that one. Thank you so much for watching this video.